Today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Chaos Erupts During Traffic Stop When Police Deny Her Excuses.
On February 21st, officers received multiple calls about a woman driving on the wrong side of the road. After pulling her over, she became combative when confronted about the smell of alcohol, leading to her arrest.
142 South Leslie, in a home.
Hello, driver's license, proof of insurance.
That's what I'm looking for. Switching pocketbooks and purses.
What's that?
No, I said that's what I'm looking for is what you asked for.
So, do you have is your driver's license suspended or revoked or anything like that?
It is.
It is?
Truthful, it is. It's
Is it revoked?
suspended. Hold on, let me finish. It's suspended here because my insurance lapsed. I don't know the status of it right now because I got insurance again, and I had a dilemma with Pennsylvania with renewing my license. Obviously, it's not up to date. It's just my identification.
When ready. Go ahead, step out for me. You can take your phone to provide the insurance. Go ahead, step out. Go ahead, stand over there.
Over where?
Over here.
Be specific.
Back here, behind the car.
Right here? Right here?
Behind the car. Back here.
Have you had anything to drink tonight?
I have.
How much?
I just been drinking.
Do what?
You said how much I had?
Yeah, how much?
How much? I said I just been drinking.
Just drinking? What have you been drinking?
Tito's.
Tito's? How much Tito's?
All right, what we gonna do?
I'm just asking questions.
I'm gonna lean back. Look, boom. Ain't nothing going on. Look. Ain't nothing going on, baby. Look, ain't nothing going on. I gotta do this. Look. All that boom, boom, bop. So my not legit here at all. I've been drinking. I'm lit. I've been riding. Just on my own. That's all. I mean, no threat to y'all. I got slides on, baby.
How much Tito's did you say you had?
Enough that I'm gonna enjoy my night and go home.
Okay.
Did you drink that whole bottle in the door there?
No, you can check.
Nah, you ain't gonna enjoy your night and go home. You going to jail.
Okay.
You can check it.
From
what I told you.
hold on.
It's the pure.
Hey, so from 0, you're the soberest you ever been.
Nah, baby.
Hold on, listen. 10, you're the drunkest you ever been. Where are you at right now?
4.
A 4? Okay.
Handle it.
Would you be willing to do a standard field sobriety test?
Okay, hold on. Because I know where that leads us to. Baby, I'm telling you, I'm lit. I'm lit already, so we don't need no sobriety.
So would you
whatever
do
yes or no?
It's a yes or no.
No.
Okay.
And
Go
no,
ahead.
final.
You're under arrest for...
No, I don't want to be under arrest.
No, you saw...
I don't know anything.
I don't want to be under arrest.
I'm not resisting.
We're not saying you are.
I'm so manhandling. I'm telling you, I'm with this like chilling. Can I at least call my mom or my brother?
I'll tell dispatcher code 30 with 1.
Know where I'm at.
Yeah, we'll sort that all out.
No, I don't want to sort it out when we get to the segment, babe. It's my third
Double lock.
segment. Now I know I'm going to segment, baby. Can I get my phone off the
Not the...
joint? No, I want to call my folks.
Well, we can't call anyone right now.
I've been.
Stop moving.
Man, stop moving.
Just like just how I'm working out with y'all smooth. I'm gonna look at you and you too, my. We working out smooth. I ain't doing nothing.
I appreciate it.
Ain't nothing.
Yeah,
I'm gonna get out. Find bit bop. Yeah, that's how
Do you have anything on you that you're not supposed
no,
to...
nigga, no!
Hey,
Don't be...
I already patted my.
Okay.
Don't try to
So-
don't try to.
Got her
Don't try
told dispatch that you need
Don't
a
try to
female for a
downplay my.
search.
Yeah, now the real her is coming out. Okay, we got there eventually. I didn't think we were gonna get there. I thought she was just gonna play it smooth, but we got there eventually. The real her is coming out right now.
Don't give a.
Hey, you're
Don't give a.
gonna
Don't
stop
try.
yelling.
Listen. I'm not no threat, my nigga. I'm not even moving. Don't try to downplay my shit. I already patted you
Okay, you're
down
gonna
and
be
let
in
you
the
know I ain't
squad.
got nothing on me.
Search you because you're under arrest.
Yeah, got that.
Right.
That's it. What I'm
Tell right
on.
here.
Good.
Yeah.
In my car.
You got anything
That
on your
Coco
person?
fuck. No, nigga, I already patted myself down. Nigga.
Well,
I let y'all know where I was at.
you patting yourself
Honestly, cause y'all live legit dumb stupid shit.
You're the one drunk
my
and
nigga.
driving around.
All right, let's keep it smooth. So let's go. Take me to Second County.
We will.
Okay.
You talk about it.
Cole, go ahead and
Search
do
it.
an
Get
inventory
up, pop my
search.
trunk, all type of shit.
Do a search.
Get out of here. I told y'all what it was. I got my Skittles and motherfucking puffs in
Is
my
there anything in the vehicle we need to
I
know
ain't got
about?
nothing to hide.
So she got.
Take me to Second County, nigga. Cause y'all talking
got
about?
her for
Y'all
a second.
asking me questions, go f***ing look. Cause I can. Cause y'all on y'all stupid shit. Fuck gonna ask me questions, and I'm telling y'all the questions y'all asking me, nigga. Cause I already know the f***ing B. That's what you talk about. Right now. That's what you talking about, oh. That's why I'm so f***ing loud.
You got Skittles, boy.
Just let me step away. You so threatened. With handcuffs and all that. Handcuffs and your fucking shit, nigga.
See it.
Fuck me, nigga. You fuck me, nigga. Take me to Second County.
10-4, thank you.
Everything that's like that, talk about it. That Skittles, that good weed. And I'm gonna get some more weed, nigga. That's it's nigga. What I said, Mr. Crab.
She got Skittles and Reese Puffs, boy. Go.
So make sure you do ordinance for cannabis.
Everything there, ain't it? Ain't it? Ain't it? Ain't it? Ain't it? Dickheads? 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 Ain't everything I said there from the Mr. Pure Apple, f***ing cranberry, dickheads, and the f***ing weed, dickheads?
North Farm.
Take me to f***ing Second Mechanic, bitch ass niggas. Ain't over an ounce, all that shit. Get the f*** out of here. Clean, look at that. Gold in the car, this is a premium, bitch, 2017, bitch.
That looks pretty sweet on that
Let's
truck.
go!
Can you make
Hey, guess
Nor
what?
5 primary,
It don't
please?
matter. What y'all gonna take me to? Somewhere I already picked it up before. Let's go. You can't even sit. You can't even sit. You dick into your balls. Bitch, go wash them. You dirty hoe. Won't get another one tomorrow. Whatever day I get out. Bong, bong, bong. That's how I fucking go.
You know you have the right to
Take me to
remain
Second
silent,
County.
right?
I don't. I absolutely know that. Ain't the first time. It's my third time taking it. Let's go. Glad y'all
All right,
Yeah, this ain't her first time. She's no rookie, okay? She know what time it is already, man. On one thing, on one side of it, I'm like, yo, at least she was up front. In the beginning, it's just like, man, I'm not doing no tests. I told you I've been drinking. Let's go, man. What y'all want to do? You know, I actually like that approach. You know, you caught. It's like, all right, you got me, man. You know, I like that. But then the extra stuff, the rah-rah, all the extra stuff is like, come on, man. Damn.
young lady's gonna search you, okay? So you better cooperate.
Yeah,
for
glad,
her.
I don't have to.
You
I
have
don't
to.
have to.
You have to.
I'm glad you came here to abide by the law and check me, because you can't without a woman checking me.
All right, you want to face the car for me?
Face it? Yeah, because I told these
thank you,
bitch
ma'am.
ass
You want to
niggas-
widen your stance for me?
Huh?
Widen your stance for me.
Oh
Thank
my
you.
God, grab for the little pussy. There's nothing there. I already
Okay, while
told-
you're doing that, just
All right,
listen. You
'cause I
have the
told
right
you,
to remain
I don't give a
silent.
What you
Anything
talking
you
about,
say
my
can be used as evidence
I don't
against
give
you.
a
You have the right
I
to
already told
counsel
y'all what it
with an
was.
attorney before
Everything
questioning
took
and
pictures
to have
of, everything
him with you
did.
during
I
questioning.
don't. They know this already.
If
I
you
told
cannot
these
afford
dumbass
any
niggas.
attorney, one will be appointed to represent you free of charge.
She wanna be enlightened.
Knowing
There's
these rights, do you
nothing.
want
Go
to
ahead.
talk with me without having a lawyer present?
Go to my asshole. Pull my shit down. Make sure
You wanna talk to me?
Make sure you fucking all the way fucking what the fuck is word for it? All the way fucking. Make sure you check every crack and fucking crevice, bitch.
Do you want to talk to me?
No, I don't. Take
Okay.
me to Second County. For what? Yeah, for what? I don't want to talk to you about it. I already told you. Everything you asked me, I admitted to it. I told you what I was drinking. What you asked me. All the shit you asked me, I told you, my nigga. I told you. What you,
face the car
what
for
you
me?
do, you found it.
You face the
We're in the red.
I ain't going. So stop it. Turn your head and get the f out of here, bitch. Take it off. Take it off. Please do. Please do. It's only attached to my head because of our pro. It's attached to my hair. That's why it's there. Because it's attached to my hair. I had it on all day. But in this attire to work.
Are you on anything
Got
else?
off. No. Are y'all? You dumb niggas?
All right, do you have anything on you that I missed?
Again. Strip me butt naked.
Can I unzip this front jacket?
Oh, good. No
Will
problem.
you face the car for me?
How you gonna zip it?
Right that.
I wish I can grab my little titty right now. I can't even shake them. That's how small they are with no bra on. Again, that's why I'm so explicit. Like, let me fucking be naked and spread my butt cheeks for you dumb motherfuckers. I already told you, bitch. You bitch one, bitch two, bitch three, bitch
Thank you.
four.
Okay, let's get in the squad.
Let's go to Sagamon. Let's go. Cause you put my fucking hat back on my fucking me hand
Nope,
or put
let's
in my
go.
car?
Let's go.
Yo, don't manhandle me, you punk ass.
Well, if you're not gonna
I'm
walk,
taller than you, bitch.
I don't give a shit.
Oh, look at you. You are so adorable. I'm gonna apply.
Thank
You don't
you.
have to fucking do nothing to me. Let's go to Sagan, man.
Cool, you didn't
Bitch-ass
put the
niggas.
seatbelt back.
He's so tentative. Put my fucking hat in the car. You funky not ass.
Thank you.
Yep.
She's
Don't
very
get a whole lot
pleasant.
easier than that.
Let's go! What the f is y'all waiting on? What the f is the investigation about? My drink, my smoke, bitch is legal. Bitch, I'm a resident. Bitch is not over OZ.
There was anything worth noting.
Where's the wait up?
Inventory.
What the f?
Black microwave.
Hold up, bitch. Let's go! Y'all get the f home. It don't matter what y'all do, y'all bitch ass niggas.
Oh, you're getting charged with a felony.
It don't matter what
You
y'all
ain't
do,
going
y'all
home
bitch
tonight.
ass niggas. Let's go, you bitch ass.
I need instructions. Which way you want me to step out?
Step out.
I'm doing it.
Lock it.
A little bit of no moving, baby. Don't snatch me the fuck up. I'm doing a
Go.
little bit of moving.
Lock it.
I'm doing a little bit of moving, baby. I don't want to be no other type of way. Look, I done worked a million jobs out here. Nobody shows up to work. Even the people that work for the company don't show up for work. The bitch like me, the agency, look at you. Look at these dumb fucks. They ain't even out here for y'all dumb fucks. Dumb fucks. How long we gonna sit here? Dumb fucks is on scene, giving fucking lessons. Dumb fucking scene.
Step on in here. Let's face this wall for me, please.
To the right, to the right,
Right here, right here.
to the right.
Yep.
All right.
Choose the truth.
The suspect was arrested for driving under the influence, driving without insurance, driving without a license, and obstructing justice.
That's crazy, man. But anyways, yeah, don't drink and drive. You know, that's it. Don't drink and drive. Don't drink Tito's, man. And eat Skittles. Or, well, they're not actually Skittles, but that stuff gonna get you every time. It's bad enough you got a DUI, but now you got that. It's like that shit gonna get you every time, man. But anyway, that's it for the video. You know, just another circus. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.